Hi there, today we're going to be able to look at how to solve simple algebraic equations. So the question will read something like, solve this equation for x. So what that means is that we're trying to actually find out what the value of x is. So the equation, for example, might ask you to solve x plus 4 equals 10. And now what we're trying to actually do here is solve what the value of x would be. Now what we're trying to think about here is, right, well, what number do we add 4 to so that it then equals 10? Well, we can see here that that would probably be 6 for this case. But for some of them it would be a little bit more difficult to actually calculate that. So what we do, we actually do the reverse of what's currently happening. So at the moment we're adding 4 to x. So as a result we would subtract 4 from x. And when we do this, we also do it to the right hand side too. So we're taking 4 from both sides. So what does that leave us? Well, on the left hand side we've got x plus 4 minus 4, so those two have cancelled out, so we've now just got x equals 10 subtract 4, which is 6. Now we know this is correct because when we substitute back in, or we replace the x value up here with our answer of 6, we know that 6 add 4 is equal to 10. Okay, what about then if we had this time, for example, 2x add 4 equals 10. Okay, well, we're still trying to solve for x, so we're still trying to get this value here of x on its own. We're still trying to calculate what this value of x actually means, the value of it. So again, we still do the reverse of what's currently happening. So at the moment we're adding 4 to this 2x. So again, we're going to go ahead and subtract 4 from both sides. So in this case we have 2x, add 4, minus 4, so those two cancel out again, so we've now just got 2x on the left hand side, and that's going to be equal to 10 minus 4, which is 6 again. Now the difference with this one this time is that we've actually got 2 lots of x this time. And whenever you see 2 lots of x like that, it's pretty much the same as saying, well, 2 multiplied by x, 2 times x. We've got 2 x's at the moment. So in order to reverse this role, rather than multiplying by 2, we're going to divide by 2. So in order to get x on its own, we divide by 2 on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So what would this leave us? Well, 2 times x divided by 2, so those two cancel out, so we've now just got x on this side, and we're now going to do 6 divided by 2 on the right hand side. We're going to halve it to leave us with the answer of 3. Okay, let's have a look at one more that's a little bit more difficult than that, shall we? What about if I had 4x plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 12? Okay, right. Now there's a key to this question. Whenever we see something like this, it's a little bit more difficult to what we've just been practicing and trying to solve. The key to this is to always subtract the smallest value of x. Now in this case we can see the smallest value of x is 2x here. 2x is smaller than 4x. There's no other x values there that are smaller than 2x. So what we do, we go ahead and subtract 2x from both sides, from the left hand side and from the right hand side. Now by doing this, we would subtract 2x from the left hand side, so 4x minus 2x gives me 2x. We've still got our plus 6 there. And that's equal to 2x minus 2x just gives us 0, they've cancelled out, and then plus 12, so we've still got our 12 on this hand side. So we've now got our equation into the form that we've been confident looking at previously in the last question. We can now identify that, right, well, we're adding 6 to the 2x on the left hand side, so we're going to subtract 6, and then therefore do it to this side too. So 2x add 6 minus 6 just gives us 2x. And that's equal to 12 minus 6, which is 6. Now at the moment my x is being multiplied by 2, so we're going to divide by 2 on both sides to cancel that out and get rid of it, to leave us with the answer of 2x divided by 2 is just x equals 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Now if we were to take our answer here and substitute it in or replace it into this equation at the top, we would see that our answers are equal on both sides. So we can do that if you like. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, so we're taking the 3 and replacing it here. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, add 6 is 18. 3 multiplied by 2, so we're replacing the 3 up here. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, add 12 is 18. So they're both equal to each other on both sides, so therefore we know that our answer down here must therefore be correct.